Washing the
Guys, welcome
dishes
back to
part
my
2.
YouTube channel, guys.
Shout out
I did
everyone.
earlier,
Join me while I'm washing the
hindi
dishes in the
ko
tiny kitchen. Thank you everyone.
dito ay ating paghuhugas. Cleaning here. Yan. Cleaning. Washing the dishes. Samahan po ako. Sorry, I'm so maingay. Look at that. So matingin. So, ayan. Wash. Mega love shout out po sa inyong lahat. As you all know talagang ano po ako. Sa kusina po talaga ay I love in the kitchen. Kasi tayo ulit. Wash the dishes. Hindi naman siya dishes. Dishes pa rin dun. Shout out everyone and thank you so much for your love and support around the world. Thank you for sharing your blessings with me. Thank you for the continued support to my channel ever and here. Thank you everyone and just join me here. Push po natin yung pinapagawa sa atin ni Lolo. 3 minutes video para sakali. Baka naman. Jokingly. Basta, whatever things that can make you happy, just push and go for it. Okay, guys. Alam nyo, hindi ako marunong hugas ng pinggan. All around po ipit. No. All the chores, guys. Gawaing bahay. Cooking, baking, and all lahat all around. Meron po tayong fun for that. Finances for that. No all those things. Pure gold. Okay lang. Thank you so much. Iba po yung kahapon. Dati po. Ayan po siya. Next batch. Thank you so much for joining me guys and shout out. I love